Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can install and run DeepSeek R1 model on your local machine. Let's start with the video. DeepSeek R1 is a reasoning model which is developed by China. So you can go to this website and try it here after creating an account. But in this video, I will show you how you can run this on a local machine. So I am using Mac. So first we have to install Ollama. So let's go to website ollama.com. So you can click on this download button. So you can install it for Mac, Linux and Windows operating system. I'm using Mac, so let's download for Mac. So this will download. Go to downloads. You can directly double click on it and open it. Open, move to applications. You will see a icon on the top. So Ollama is running. So after installing Llama, you can install models. So in this video, we will use a DeepSeek R1 model, but you can also download different models like Llama 3.3, Llama 3.2 and different models. But in this video, we will install DeepSeek R1 model. So you can download 1.5B here. So this is 1.1 GB of size and 7V 4.7 GB. So for this video, we will install 1.5G. So you can copy this command and open up the terminal. Paste it. So I already downloaded this model. So this will open up the terminal window. So you can type a message like hello. So this is running. So in the next step, we will install the UI. So for that, we can use OpenWebUI. Let's go to website OpenWebUI. You can click on this first link, then go to docs, getting started, and then in the quick start you will find this command. So this is the command. So before running this command, make sure that Docker is running. So let's open up the Docker. Yes, no container is running. Let's download it. So this will download the image and then run it. So I already downloaded the image. So the container is running. Let's verify. You can see container is running. So we can go to localhost 3000. So this will open up this URL and we can log in. So first time this will ask for the sign up. So you can sign up and then use this account. So let's log in. So after login, you will see this screen. So here you can see there is a model DeepSeek R1. I already installed Llama 3.2, but in this video we are using this. So let's verify if it's running. Hello. Yes. So this is totally working on local machine. You can see the response. Tell me about you. So I'm a DeepSeek R1 model. So in this way, you can totally run the DeepSeek R1 model on your local machine. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query or questions, you can ask in the comment section. I would love to reply. In the coming days, I will create a different video comparing these two models. So stay tuned. Thank you.